Hey, thanks for joining us today. I'm Shane Tracy, broker of Good to Go Realty, and we're out here checking out view homes at Tally Fields, right off of Culebra, near 211. And this particular community is in the Medina Valley ISD. This particular community has homes that are upwards of 2,600 square feet, and the price range low 300s to upper 300s. You're going to love the opportunities here. The particular floor plans are really sharp looking. And this location, you're going to be very close to a brand new HEB right at Culebra in 211. You're going to love it. I'm seeing it being built. Should be available in the next few months. And let's go and check out what's inside.
Step inside the Sequoia Floor Plan by View Homes, a stunning two-story, 2,246 square foot home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2 living areas. The primary suite is downstairs, and the first floor living room soars with a 2-story ceiling, creating a second-floor loft area and a wall of windows. You'll find that the beautiful kitchen has plenty of counter space, and a big island with counter-height seating anchors the heart of the home. Top it off with a huge covered patio perfect for your backyard lifestyle. Enjoy the home.
Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialist here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.